Let's see for a minute why Agile works. Software development, as I said, is empirical process using transparency, inspection, and adaptation as 3 legs of it. Transparency, when we say everything that is being done on the project is visible to everybody on the project. Unlike in waterfall, only few of the seniors or the managers and the team leads level people most of the time would be knowing what is going on in the project, and all the other people might be wondering what is going on. Right? In Agile, everybody knows what is going on in the project. We frequently inspect and make sure that we adapt to the changes that are needed to make sure that we get the value delivered to our customers. Why Agile works? Look at the results. For example, I'm not talking out of the air. Look at the results. This is from a respected group, Standish Chaos group. Standish Agile Chaos manifesto, they call it, okay, Chaos report, where they clearly said that projects are successful like this. In Agile, we have around 42% of the projects successful. In Waterfall, 14% only successful. When they say it's success, it's completed on time, on budget, and with all the features. Then challenger projects have some variation from what has been originally expected as the project's objectives. Failed projects are either cancelled or middle. You can see the number of projects that Agile has, in terms of the success. Agile is successful because of many things, like visibility. There are tens of reasons why Agile would be successful. You see the visibility, everybody knows what is going on in the project. Everybody can give the feedback and inputs to the projects. Adaptability, we keep on constantly adapting to the changes that are needed. And business value is delivered from the very beginning because we prioritize features and work basing on them, and as the value has been perceived by the customer. A risk has been mitigated from the project from the very beginning, so risk is minimized as we go by, unlike in Waterfall Me. So if a top management person asks how Agile helps me, here are things. We continuously innovate on the current customers' requirements. At the same time, we adapt to the changes that are needed on the product, and we help the market reachability to the customers to make sure that they get the return on investment. Of course, people and processes also are changed constantly for good, for better results. And at the end, we make good business results. There is this extract which you are going to see now is from a report, that annual state of Agile development survey by version 1, a company which is providing Agile tools. So here the results you see, the ability to manage changing priorities, that is where Agile helps us. Increase productivity, improve project visibility, things of that sort. Let's look at the challenges that what we have in Agile. So, see, most of the challenges, if you see, which are earmarked in red, they are all related to people. Tools never fail. It's the people who make them fail. That's what is the belief we all got from Deming, right? It is a fact. Let's look at this slide, which talks about the various reasons why the adaptation to the Agile failed. I personally do not advise to use the word adaptation for the key reason that we'll be covering soon. So all these do boil down to just people related things. So having said that, Agile is dealing with the three dimensions of the project: the technology, the requirements, and people, wherein people are considered the complex things. And of course, organization is made up of people. That's what we are trying to cover today. If you look at again the knowledge of Agile for the people, there are very little people who know about Agile in an organization. This is the survey again talking about the Scrum Master level